Welcome, this is your quick tutorial for the use of Zero In. So Zero In is an all-natural capsule to improve dopamine and serotonin production. And it works really, really well. So a couple things. This is best taken on an empty stomach in the morning. If this is your first time using it, we found it's best to take one capsule in the morning and one in the afternoon if needed. One capsule will typically last about 5 hours. So what you should notice is actually a relaxed calmness that can come over you with a tremendous ability to focus and have mental clarity. They can apply in different aspects. If you're working, it's going to help you work. If you want to rest, it should help you rest and feel really good when you rest. If you want to work out or compete in sports, you probably have the best performance, best feeling of an event you've ever had in your life. So it's also important to understand that the effects can sometimes take a couple days in order to really kick in, because some people are dopamine deficient. So what Zero In will do in those instances is help your body generate and create more dopamine and serotonin in your gut to feed your brain to help balance your body to normal levels and then increase so you can feel amazing.